A recent increase in sick leave cases at the government supply warehouse led to speculation about product availability, particularly rumors of a flour shortage. However, the Consumer Affairs Division has quickly refuted these claims.
The Ministry of Commerce would like to clarify a recent unsubstantiated claim made that there is no flour available at the government supply warehouse and that this has led to closure of bakeries. This statement is patently false and misleading.
Wendy Frederick, Director of Consumer Affairs, sought to ease public concerns and address the potential impact on small businesses that rely on flour.
We wish to assure the public that the government supply warehouse is well stocked with flour and all other essential commodities. There is no shortage, and we are unaware of any bakery closures due to a lack of supply from the government supply warehouse. The ministry continues to monitor, of course, inventory levels closely, and we can confirm that deliveries are proceeding as scheduled.
Officials took the rumors seriously due to the potential for panic buying and hoarding. Authorities are urging residents to rely on credible, verified sources for information.
We take these types of public allegations seriously, and we want to remind the public to seek verified updates through official channels. Spreading false claims may cause unnecessary panic and undermine public confidence in systems that are functioning effectively. So we are definitely assuring the public that we have a well-stocked warehouse. We have rice, we have flour, we have sugar available, and there are no low stock levels.
The Consumer Affairs Division has pledged to monitor the situation closely and is prepared to provide timely updates to ensure transparency and maintain public confidence.